Let us consider a scenario in kindergarten. You don't know how many kids are joining the kindergarten in 2020. You can define a function like this. Define my kind of kids for variable in print var. When I'm calling my function, here I'll call n number of kids. Suppose Ram, then Linus, Sita, and Emil, and maybe Virat. Now, if I execute this block, see, you have 5 kids in kindergarten in 2020. So, what I want to tell is, if you don't know how many arguments that will be passed into a function, just add an asterisk in the function definition. Having said that, thank you guys. Keep the same energy and passion. Okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.